Sobrang saya ko talaga. Kita nyo ba ang kasiyahan ko, guys? Ha? Damang-daman nyo ba ang kasiyahan ng isang ina?
The Easter Bunny is coming today.
The Easter Bunny?
Yeah, me. I'm gonna be an Easter Bunny with my magic wand. And I'm gonna summon a ring, a magic ring.
Where's your magic ring?
It's here. Yeah.
Damgo? Invisible?
See how my Easter Bunny?
You're the Easter Bunny?
Yes, I was tending to be magic, the Easter Bunny.
Okay. Alright. Now, do you love baby Celine?
Yes, I do.
Why do you love her?
Because I look like you.
Now, why do you love baby Celine?
Because I love him. Because I love her.
You love her. Because?
Because I'm a good girl.
Because you're a good girl?
Yeah.
Good job. Because she is your younger sister.
What is a youngie?
Younger.
What is a younger?
Because she's your younger sister. That's why.
Why?
Hmm?
Why?
She's younger. You're the ate.
No. Does it cry?
Yeah, she cried. She didn't cry a lot
But-
today, yeah?
Peppa Pig.
Hmm?
It's Peppa Pig.
You know that you're a very good girl?
Because I look like mommy.
You look like me. Do you look like me now?
Yeah.
Sure, I fit in the mirror, in the bulingit mirror. Show me your outfit. Oh, naka-short si mami nyo. Perfect short.
Mommy, my feet.
Wow! Uy! What happened to your... Look, careful na, anak. What happened to your socks?
It's gone. Where's the take it?
What happened?
Where's the take
Sobrang haba na ng aking hair, guys ba? Matagal ko nang hindi talaga siya na ano, parang nasuklay bitaw na. Parang bagsak na pagsuklay. Tingnan nyo, oh. Hanggang sa puwitan na ba? Pero mura naglanot ang tumoy. Anyways. Hi! Achoo! 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 Pika! Pika! Peekaboo! Pika! Pika! Peekaboo! Hello, my love! Oh, can you see Mama? Can you see Mama? Can you see Mama, my good girl? Can you see Mama? Josh! Contact this off na be. Ang ganda ng pang swaddle na to, guys, kasi ayan, oh, may clip siya dito sa gilid kung gusto mong ilabas yung kamay niya, kasi normally talaga yung gusto niya is nakalabas yung kanyang kamay, but at the same time pwede mong i-close and she'll be swaddled. Hi na, tuna, say hi to tita and tita na. Say, I'm a good girl. I'm a good girl. Goody, good girl. Oh, poo, 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 poo. Oh, poo, 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 poo. Shush! Andyan pa rin yung cradle cup niya, guys, oh. It will go away. Wala, honey. Wala, honey. Are you mama's big girl na? Are you mama's big girl? Wait. Hello. Hello. What is going on? What is going on? Can take this off, Daddy. Off. Where's Daddy going?
Yeah.
Where's Daddy going?
Yes, in the tent.
Where's Daddy going? Pulong, pong, pong. Pulong, pong, pong.
Mommy, punch gorilla. Mommy, punch gorilla.
Punch gorilla.
Give me a kiss, good luck.
Arabam, mama, mama.
Kiss, Daddy.
Arabam, mama, mama.
Kiss me. Right.
Hello. Baby girl, baby shark, do 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 do.
This.
Love you, Daddy. See you, Daddy. Enjoy. enjoy. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark. Baby shark. Is that a baby shark face? Is that a baby shark face? Siklo tulin. Siklo tulin. Oh, boo 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 boo. Good afternoon, titas and titos. I am falling asleep because I just had my didi.
The bigger one.
I just had my didi.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello, my beautiful girl. Hello, tingnan niyo ang kanyang buhok guys. Merong mahaba dito. May mahaba. Big girl ni Mami.
Phoenix, stop it.
Big girl ni Mami in the eye. Kay Mami is smiling. Kay Mami is smiling. Ayaw ko pag sinamukha mo, ha? Kay mahilak na punta ka rin. Mahilak na punta ka rin. She is warm now. Ayan, binihisan ko na. It's currently mga mag-1 o'clock na yata ngayon. And we're going for a walk. Hindi masyadong ano sa labas, oh. Mukhang uulan yata. But lakad-lakad pa rin pag may time, na. Lakad-lakad pa rin pag may time. Oh, bo. Tingnan niyo ang sasakyan, guys, oh. Diyan sa, next door. Sobrang social niyan, guys. I don't know kung anong klaseng sasakyan yan. But alam niyo yung door niya, yung pag-open pataas, hindi pa pa dito sa side. Diba? Bongga sila, guys. Dato na sila diha. Dato na sila ng dapita. Diring dapita. Dato na paghigugma. Anak na, may booby. My booby. Alright, before you cry. Hello! Welcome back to our channel. Ayan. Nakapark ng ating mga farms dyan kasi alis kami. Where are we going? Come here. Tell tita, dito na.
Stop.
Shops. Which shops?
I don't know.
You don't know. Alam nyo guys, ilang araw din ako hindi nakapag-vlog. Again, very expected.
Green shop.
Which shop? Green shop?
Yeah, green shop.
Expected na yan guys, no? Kasi nga 'di ba, meron tayong maliit dito tapos medyo again challenging, but you know what? Sobrang happy ko ngayong umaga na to kasi first time in more than a month kasi ang ating baby girl ngayon is 1 month and 1 week old. First time guys na I put her down at hindi siya umiyak. Na-mention ko na sa inyo before, she has been a crier. Crying baby talaga guys. Ever since, sobrang hindi siya nagpapalapag, gusto niya hinawakan siya palagi. And she screams like umiiyak talaga siya guys. Iyak ng iyak. But then this morning, we woke up. Mga 7 o'clock yata yun. And then, sayaw-sayaw ko siya, ganun. Tapos, tinry ko lang na ilagay siya sa bassinet niya, guys. And then, hindi siya umiyak. Basta super happy ko lang talaga, guys. Parang feel ko na accomplished. Alam niyo yung, parang satisfaction. Yung ganun, guys, na, nalapag ko siya na hindi siya umiyak. At, nung nagising siya, hindi siya umiyak. Parang tingin-tingin lang siya sa labas, ganun. And then, after that, hinawakan ko siya kasi nanood kami ng meron sa TV, yung mga nursery rhymes, ganun. Nung humikab na siya once, napansin ko na, nilagay ko siya kaagad sa ko dito, yung parang pampatulog na posisyon ba, para patulog ko na siya, hindi siya ma-overtired, ganun. Para hindi niya i-fight yung pagtulog niya. You know what guys, she fell asleep. And until now, ayan, diba? Pag natin kanina, gising din siya. Tingnan niyo. Patulog na siya. Seriously guys, I'm hoping I'm not jinxing it. First time kong yung para bang hindi ako nagmadali na mag-shower, ganun. Kasi, alam ko, parang confident ako kanina na hindi siya para mag-scream talaga. So, I was right. And it makes me really happy kasi masyadong mataas yung tulog natin. And, you know, for the last month, parang nakalimutan ko lahat yun, guys. Nung, kaya, approve. Anak! So, we're going, tita. I'll see you there.
Masih dah.
What are you eating? Show sabi. Show sabi. What is it?
Oh, sabar.
Show
Oh,
me your
sabar.
outfit sabi ko. Wow.
Mama, Bobby girl. Nasty.
Napaliguan ko pa to siya, guys, sa bath. Yan yung hindi ko nagagawa before. Kasi itong isa umiiyak. But anyways, let's not, Okay, we're going, my good girl. Yan. Oh no, guys, it's already raining. Oh, just take the car. Come on, sweetheart. Gonna open the car now so we can go. Oh, buti na lang hindi pa kami nakaalis, guys. Hindi kami nakapaglakad. Go in, honey. Time check tayo. It's now 12:50 ng hapon. Hi, Daddy.
Hey.
Hi, have your mask on.
Daddy.
Are you scared?
That was like the most awkward moment of silence. Hey, Daddy. And you're like,
Daddy.
yeah, princess?
What is that, anak?
Toy.
Ayan, so we just got in the car. Kakalagay ko lang sa ating baby girl dyan. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh my God. Sabi ko lang nga sa inyo, hindi siya umiyak, guys. Paglagay ko sa kanya sa sasakyan. Relax talaga siya ngayon ng araw na to. Hopefully, forever na. Hopefully, forever na, guys. Sobrang saya ko talaga. Kita nyo ba ang kasiyahan ko, guys? Ha? Damang-daman nyo ba ang kasiyahan ng isang ina? Ayan. So, where are we going, Nari?
Are you going to Spring Valley now?
And where are we gonna go first? Yeah, we should. Yeah, we'll go get a coffee now.
I just got my beard caught in the mask.
Tingnan nyo siya, guys. Naglilinis. Uy, bless you. Are you okay, Daddy?
Yeah.
Do you wanna get tested? Maglilinis. Hindi namin the other day, nag-ano kami, we went through yung washing ba sa labas. Yung robot. Yan, so malinis ang labas, pero umuulan naman. So, tingnan nyo, umuulan naman. So, linis din yan. Bayad-bayad lang. Anyways, andan ang ating baby girl. Hi. Hi, she's waving. Hello, everyone. Okay, ate. Ready?
Yes.
Steady?
Go.
Go.
Ready, steady, go.
How's the weather on it?
Ready? Kizzy, ready?
Ready?
Start.
Step.
Go.
Go.
I can't believe you know one of them shoes.
Didn't you show here, Daddy B? So Daddy Mike showed this to me, guys, asking if I want it. Cause you're gonna buy it for me?
Yeah.
Two,
But you rejected it.
2,
I rejected kasi ang dami ko na kasing sapatos, guys.
7, 8, 9.
I'm not gonna wear it anyways. But you said you
Yeah,
buy
that-
it for yourself.
They look way better than the ones you're wearing now.
Doesn't matter, but this is the one I like to wear.
Yeah, I know, but I'm saying there's a similar style, except these look better.
No. This one has got, tingnan nyo guys, got Mickey Mouse.
No, this one is like...
This one's got Mickey Mouse, so it's much better.
No, not really.
Tingnan, this one is ASOS. ASOS, Adidas, guys. Oh,
But this one was way better. It's like slim, you know what I mean? It's like it make your leg look nice.
Bob,
These ones are too chunky.
this makes me feel great. Okay, here guys. Idalik ko na lang. Nakabuhay ito kanina guys, kaya lang. Kailangan ko itali kapag ano pa daddy, okay. Ano baby silin. Tali na lang natin guys para madali. Matag ko muraog. Ayan.
Yeah, princess.
Ayan, okay. Let's go na guys.
Or not?
We'll go for a drive. Lumabas na ang dalawa. Kakapark lang namin dito sa harap ng cafe na normally namin pinupuntahan. Ayan. So, Daddy Mike will just get hot drinks. And then, we'll go to the Filipino shop. Ay, check pa muna kung open sila or hindi. Alam nyo ating isang baby. Close natin kayo sa mainitan. Baka magising. Ayan, she's sleeping. Ayan. So, i-search muna natin guys kung open sila. Kasi matagal na akong hindi nakapunta doon. Sobrang tagal ko na din sinabi kay Daddy Mike na gusto kong pumunta. Kasi, bibili nga ako ng mga ano, ang tawag din yung mga mamasitas na mga sachet ba, yung adobo mix, afritada, menudo, pansit bihon, yung mga ganun. Para, ano, kasi gusto kong kumain talaga ng Filipino food, guys. What's new, diba? Always naman. John Alexander. Springvale. It says open and they close at 4:30. There you go. We have time. So yun na yan. Ang bilis nila. Nakabitbit na ang batang gamay, oh. Thank you, sir.
That's me.
Huh?
This is you. I just put them back in there.
Okay, just hold it for a little bit. I need to clean the folder. Nilagay ko ang aking wallet. Be. What have you got? Okay, give me that. What have you got? Muffin?
Yeah. I'm just gonna take her for a quick walk. I'm just gonna take her to work quickly.
Oh, what are you gonna get then?
Do you want this?
What are you gonna get from there?
Gotta have a look at this bubblegum machine.
What's this?
Try it.
Where's my muffin?
They don't have any. They're sold out. Like I said. Is it nice?
What is this?
I think it's like is it cheese tart or something?
It's yum.
Is it yum? So Paris can have that muffin then? She's got this one, but this is what I have.
Yeah. No, you can have it now.
Here you go, Bobby. Do you want it?
Where are you going, Paris?
To the green shop?
Get bubble
Give that
gum.
to me, Daddy Big. I'm gonna put this in this.
Can I have the coffee? That one?
Oh, I can taste the egg.
Is it yummy?
I don't like the, you know, like the raw taste.
That's not nice.
The bottom is nice. Alright, honey, enjoy.
We'll see you back.
A few moments later.
Hello, everyone. Time check tayo. It's now, what time is it? Just guess. 6? Nearly. It's 4 o'clock ng hapon. Yes, 4 o'clock. Kanina pa kami naka... Ay, pagsigit na. You just started babysitting. Kanina pa kami naka-uwi guys, pero pinadedicate ko si Baby Celine at ayan, nakatulog siya. And guess what? Nagpalapag na naman siya. Hallelujah! Say hallelujah na. Say hallelujah. Hallelujah. Lula? Oh God, it really makes me so happy guys. Very happy. Anyways, so pumunta na kami doon sa Filipino grocery store. At alam nyo, napadami yung bili ni mami nyo. Actually, meron ako, ano dito? 2 boxes like this, full of goodies. Meron, basta isa-isahin ko na lang guys. Siguro yung nabayaran ko dito guys, in peso ha, mga 8,000. Ito lang sa dalawang ito. Mahal kasi guys. Mahal na mahal. Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal talaga dito sa sa Australia yung mga bilihin. But ito, first one, kinain na ni Inday.
Hey, here.
What is it? So showing Tita and Tito what you're eating.
Peace.
Peas. Favorite muncher. And then, kinain ko na rin ito. Ito yung tinatawag nila na pastillas. Dili lagi ko siguro. Antin mo ba? Shh. Baby, sleeping. That's right. Pastillas di langka. Ayan. So, nakaganyan siya, oh. Packet.
That looks tasty.
Very tasty, honey. And then, ano pa ba yung mga pinamili? Yung mga ganito, ito talaga yung pinunta ko doon. So, ayan. Menudo. Pansit bihon. Ano pa ba? Adobo. Tocino.
Auntie.
Ayan. And then, sinigang. O, diba? Mabilis lang kasi you just have to buy meat.
Meat. Ayan.
Tapos, sorted ka na. Panihapon na. So, ayan. We'll put them all away. And then, bumili rin ako ng crispy fry. Ayan. And what else? Oh, ito. Nakabili ako ng Eskinol para sa ating kamukhaan. Para luminis ang ating mukha. And very excited for this. Here it is, Daddy. Achete de manzanilla.
Let me see it. I want to see it.
Manzanilla for baby Celine. Yeah.
I like this.
We can apply sa tummy, no? Tapos dito sa ano ba? Anong tawag dito sa lumaw? That one. And then magic sarap.
Oh,
Ding dong.
I want to have that one to eat too.
Later.
Later.
I've got buttercream chocolate crackers.
This is not eat that.
Quick chow.
Can we see?
Noodles.
Noodles. I have nails.
Chicken cubes. And then Filipino style spaghetti sauce. May spaghetti ako guys, tapos gagawin ko yung ginawa ni Daddy Mike. Nilalagay sa Tupperware. And then we'll just put it in the freezer. Pag wala kang lunch, pang lunch or pang dinner, yun na lang ulitin. And this one, coffee. You know what? This is very, very expensive. Sobrang mahal nito guys. Ito yata yung nakamahal ng ating And then, moving on to the next, hindi ko maarsa-arsa ang bigat-bigat eh. Ayan, kakainin ko pala ito ngayon, ninitin ko. So, meron tayong palabok. Ayan, sardinas, ligo, and mega. What else? Meron tayong turon. This is na banana turon. Nag-message ata sa akin guys. Talk to Tita and Tito na. I'll just check my phone. Talk to them. Akala ko yung si ating nag-message niya sa akin. Binenta ko kasi ito online guys, yung aking pouch na bag. Pipick upin niya. Hintay ko na lang yung message niya. Ayan ba? Kilikili bag.
No.
Coach, hindi ko na kasi ginagamit. Oh, bagong-bago.
Oh, that's so cute.
So cute, sinanak.
Yeah. Us now.
Amoy abog.
It's okay.
Smell good? Ang ganda nito ba, oh? Pamay na lang po. Malinis po ang kanyang loob. Walang bahid ng kasalanan.
Mama! I can't see.
I'm sorry, my love. Sobrang ganda nito, guys. Bagong-bago. Hindi na kasi magkasya yung napi. Dalawa na yung ginadalhan ko. Anyways, let's move on. Meron pa dito. Saging. What is this nut?
Banana syrup, banana.
Banana
Syrup.
syrup? Banana syrup? You have that? And yes, this one now. You should have this one now. Hot dog. That's very yum.
I don't want it.
Mighty juicy hot dogs. And this is the yummiest of them all. Tuyo. Ayan, pinikas. Bulad. And then, we have young coconut water.
Yeah, water.
Yes, that's very yummy.
Yeah, I
And
don't want
meron tayong nata de coco, guys. And then the last one is, isa lang yung binigay ko. Ewan ko bakit isa lang yung binigay ko eh. Four Seasons
it.
na drink. Ayan. And that's about it. Yun lang yung binayaran ko ng 8,000, guys. Sobrang mahal talaga dito sa Australia, eh. Kaya nga, di ba, sila sabi, oh, meron kayong may pera ka, ganyan, kasi nasa Australia ka. Pero hindi nila inisip na even though dollars yung pera dito, dollars din naman yung gastos. O ito, kung bilhin to sa, Pilipinas, very cheap lang siguro itong ganito. Dito, mga, ewan ko, maybe 4 times more expensive, maybe. But yeah. So, ayun ang binili ko. And then, initin ko lang to siya ngayon para makakain ako. Ang ating Daddy Mike pala ay nagtupi ng damit. So, last, di ba, hindi ako, abin ako ng sapatos. So, hindi na kami nakapag-vlog for the last few days. Kasi, alam niyo na ang rason, pabalik-balik ako sa ating chika. And, so yesterday, pumunta kami ng ng laundry mat para maglaba. So, we left Daddy Mike there as usual. And, naglaba siya guys. Sobrang dami nang nalabhan niya. At, niya, parang tinupi niya. And then, he's just putting them all away now. Kasi gusto niyang running.
A few moments later.
Hello, people! It's 7:14 in the evening. And Daddy Mike is cooking dinner. What are you cooking, Daddy?
Chicken tacos.
Hmm?
Chicken nachos.
Chicken nachos. Are you gonna eat chicken nachos now? Hmm? Nandito ang ating baby girl. Hello, everyone! Hello! Do you wanna wave? Achosha! Achum, 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 achum. Ito pala yung pinano namin, guys. Last night, ginamit namin to kay Baby Celine and we're thinking maybe this is the one na nakatulong sa kanyang, kasi mukhang may colic talaga to siya ba? Kaya siya iyak na iyak. Daddy Mike bought this one from the chemist. Ayan. Gripe water oral liquid. Ayan. Tapos, pinainom namin kay Baby Celine kagabi. And then, another one this morning. Maybe yan yung, magic knock, no? Na? Maybe that's the magic that helped you, na? Feeling better? Kasi na siguro may, yung mahangin yung tiyan niya, or whatever. Pero may mansanilya ako, guys. Lalagyan ko siya ng mansanilya mamaya before siya matulog. Are you comfortable there, Nak? Are you comfortable? Ate Paris! Ate Paris! Mawat mami ka karon. Come here quickly! Wow! They're looking for you. Wave! Just here na! Just wave here na! Just make it see this. Go, little bit there. Say hi.
Hi, guys.
Yeah.
Hi guys! Oh, Daddy carry you.
Yeah. Come here. Turn around. Thumbs up. Ready?
Pian ba?
Hi.
Hi everyone. Hi everyone.
Yeah. Take that. Put
Right?
on,
What do you say, parents?
Thank you.
put it on the table.
Show them your ingredients, Bob. Jerry, may magsinamok kaya papa.
First up, the extra virgin olive oil.
See your face.
Next up, we have the diced tomatoes. Avocado for the guacamole. Can you see that? Black beans. 1 lemon. Shredded mozzarella. Free range chicken mince. It's got to be free range. And the star of the show, the tacos, the nachos.
I am drinking my coconut water. La la la, la la la, la la. Nak, do you wanna hear Mama's song again? The Bisaya one? Usa kami kapanimalay, malipayong kami kanunay. Kaming mga anak magtinabangay, aron malipay. Si Daddy ang puno, ana mo, si Mama ang dahon sa sanga. Kaming mga anak mao'y bunga sa paghigugma. iPhone 13. Are you interested?
I'll break it in like 2 hours. I'll break it in an hour.
Yeah. My iPhone 13, when are they going to release it, Mom?
I don't know. I should have just looked this up.
Yeah, iPhone 13. Who's buying iPhone 13, people? Did they put pricing already? How much it's going to be?
I don't look. I just seen the offer. I seen the offer, which I'm going to decline, yeah. They just want my money.
Bitch, but I have my money.
They just want all my money.
I want all your money, Daddy.
Huh?
I want all your money.
Well, you know what you need to do to earn it, don't you?
Daddy, can I have pink drink?
You just had one.
No, I'll finish it.
I'll give you another one after. Have some water first. You need to have water first, please.
Water.
Yeah, drink your water first. Cool. So, this is a trick, guys. When you're cooking, you should be washing as well at the same time. I learned that from Mama.
O, ganyan yun siya, guys. Kapag nagluluto, naghuhugas din siya ng mga ginagamit niya. Ako kasi pag nagluluto ako, iniiwan ko ang mga ginamit ko.
I don't understand what you're saying, but I guarantee it's a lie.
It's a lie.
Yeah,
I just told him that when you cook, you wash the utensils, the dishes at the same time.
What does Mama do?
I said I'm doing the same. No. I said I don't.
Really? My way.
I don't have. I don't have time.
You've never had time in your life. Let alone now. Okay?
My time is so precious. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
It is the ideal time to clean when you're cooking. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I changed it to chicken eggs.
There it is. Presenting. What's this one, Mom?
We talked about what? Chicken nachos.
Chicken nachos.
Okay, no, it's alright.
Ikaw, eat na ka. Sige na. No, we're gonna eat too. Do you want this one?
No.
Baby Selim's gonna eat. She's gonna grow taller.
Jana and Roma love eating.
Yeah. Sige na, get up there na.
So I'm gonna make myself look
Like a
Roma.
big girl.
No, me.
Come on. Get up there now. You're a big girl. You eat that one there, Nak. Oh, that's good for you. Here it is. Did you put spinach?
Avocado.
Ah?
Avocado?
Avocado? It looks like spinach. Ang ating baby na maliit ay nandito, oh. Huh? 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 Paiyak-iyak kaya pinatagilid ko ng ganyan. Para siguro maano yung tiyan niya ba. Mama, relax. Now, I'm not counting, baby girl, because we're eating.
No, count the 10. I'm eating.
Come on, let's go eat now.